Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pelemon, and today we are going to be looking at seasonal trends in SEO so that we can understand how demand fluctuates depending on the season and what reasons that could be for. One of the common mistakes in SEO reporting is misreading performance, not because the data is wrong, but because the timing is misunderstood. Seasonal terms can make your SEO look like it's improving when it's not, or failing when it's actually stable. Now, let's break down how that happens. SEO data without context is misleading. SEO performance is often judged by traffic, rankings, and conversions, but these metrics don't exist in isolation. They are heavily influenced by timing and external demand shifts. Without context, you can easily misinterpret what is happening. Seasonal trends are predictable changes in search behavior. For example, holidays, weather changes, school calendars, industry cycles. For example, travel searches spike during holiday seasons. Fashion changes with seasons. Certain services peak at specific times. The demand itself changes, not just your SEO. You don't expect a snow plowing business to get a lot of SEO leads in the summer. It doesn't make sense. Or you don't expect a snow plowing business to get leads in Miami. So it's not just a matter of season, it's also a matter of location. Now, when does SEO look better than it is? Imagine your traffic increases by 40%. You might think our SEO is improving massively. But what if it's December, your industry naturally peaks, and competitors are also seeing growth? The increase may be seasonal, not performance based. There are also false decline scenarios. Your traffic drops 25%. You assume our rankings are failing. But in reality, it's an off season. Search demand has dropped. Users are simply not searching as much. Your SEO might be stable, but demand is what changed. Some keywords are stable all year round. Others are highly seasonal. For example, hotel booking spikes during holidays. Air conditioner repair spikes during hot seasons. Exam preparation spikes during school terms. Treating all keywords the same leads to wrong conclusions. Now, why don't rankings tell the full story? Even if your rankings stay the same, traffic can go up or traffic can go down. Why? Because rankings don't control search volume. This is why SEO performance must always include demand analysis. The biggest reporting mistake is comparing month to month without context. You are comparing this month versus last month without considering seasonality. This creates false panic, false excitement, or bad decisions. Proper SEO analysis always compares year over year or seasonal periods. Now, this is what good SEO analysis looks like. First of all, you track seasonal patterns. You compare periods year on year and you separate demand from performance. You don't just ask, did traffic go up? You asked. You also ask, did demand change or did we improve? Now, the key takeaway here is that SEO data is only meaningful when context is included. Growth isn't always growth and decline isn't always failure. Seasonality can completely distort perception. If you don't account for it, you are not analyzing SEO, you are just reacting to noise. If you found this content useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.